Hi, in this video we are going to see assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies notification from the top 3 colleges guys. And here for the assistant professor vacancies only PG is enough. UGCNET or PhD is not at all required guys, and there is no application fee, and for the selection process there is no written exam. The selection process will be directly based upon the interview guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the first college we are going to see is the TKM Institute of Technology. So it is a unit of TKM group of institutions. So wanted faculty, professor, associate professor with PhD in computer science, biomedical engineering and food technology, and assistant professor in biomedical engineering, food technology and chemistry. Okay, so in these departments the assistant professors are required, and here the post graduation is enough. Okay, for the professor and associate professor category PhD is required guys. And coming to the how to apply means, you have to send your biodata, okay, in detail biodata to the principal within 15 days. Okay, so you may visit the official website to get the more details regarding this advertisement guys. And here the BTech and MTech, these are the different courses. Okay, biomedical, civil, food technology, mechanical, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics. And coming to the MTech, computer and information science, VLS and embedded systems. And here the address is also given here, TKM Institute of Technology from Kerala. So please send your resume or else the biodata to this mentioned address within 15 days. Okay, or else here the contact numbers are given here. So if you're having any queries, then you may contact to these numbers guys. Total 4 contact numbers are there, and here the email ID is also provided, careers@tkmit.ac.in. So you better to send the CV or else your resume to this provided mail ID. Okay, so anyhow, for the more clarity purpose, you may contact the numbers, whatever the contact numbers given here, or else once visit the official website, that is tkmit.ac.in. Okay, and coming to the next notification is from ABES Engineering College. Okay, so from this one, here the few vacancies are there that you may check down. So it is a NAC as well as a NBA accredited guys. So professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there for the departments CSC, CS, ECE, EN, IT, ME, MCA and MBA. Okay, so for these departments here the vacancies are there. And coming to the eligibility conditions as per the AICTE, so while coming to the assistant professor vacancies, just only post graduation is enough. Okay, no need of UGCNET or the PhD guys. And coming to the salary, no constraint for highly deserving candidate, and also hiring the psychological counselor and HR professional soft skill trainer as well as the verbal ability trainer. And here the contact numbers are, contact number is given here, so you may check down. And if you want to apply for this one, then here apply online is there. Just click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form to fill up the post whatever you want. If you are looking for the assistant professor, click on the assistant professor and select the department whatever you belongs to. Okay, and finally click on the submit button. And coming to the third college, okay, it is the third college is KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. So from this one, here the contact numbers are also given here and the website ID is also given. So professor, associate and assistant professor for the BME, CSE, civil, chemical, chemistry, English, triple E, mechanical. Okay, so for these candidates and only PhD candidates preferred. Okay, while coming to the assistant professor, I think the PhD is not mandatory, but anyhow. Okay, so try to apply guys, even though if you're having only post graduation, just apply based upon their scrutiny. Okay, they're going to call or not the call. And lab technician, lab instructor post are there. For this one, the qualification required is BSc or MSc, BE or BTech, candidate with 2 years of technical experience for artificial intelligence and data science. Okay, and chemical, civil, CSE and ECE. So interested candidates may visit the official website, that is kpriet.ac.in. Okay, and you have to download the application form. Okay, the filled in application form you have to send to the career@kpriet.ac.in on or before 30th April 2021. Okay, so before this month end, you have to download the application form, and after downloading the application form, you have to send that one to this provided mail ID. Okay, so here the application form downloading website is also, link is also given here. So from this one you have to download the application form, or else you may get the application form in the official website also. Okay, so totally these three are the different types of different notifications from the three different colleges. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide